Happy Sunday YouTube, my name is Mia.rivel and today I'm going to give you a quick tour of my home office. So if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe as it lets me know what kind of content you guys want to see. So as you walk into my office, this is the first thing that you see. So to the left of the door, as soon as you walk in, I just leave whatever bag I'm using. These are my keys. The keychain is from KKK and this little thing is just from eBay. This is my favorite room spray and my favorite candle that I'm loving at the moment, which is called, if it's not gonna focus, it's just ginger and lemongrass as well from Glasshouse. Absolutely love that candle. Down the bottom I do have an extra mat because that's where one of my cats likes to sleep. I have a scratching post, 2 scratching posts for my cats because they come in here and it just prevents them from scratching anything else. So above my desk I just have my vision board for this year. I have my gold lamp, which was from Target. These 2 little pineapples I believe were from Target as well. I just have my Louis Vuitton agenda. This pen was from Typo. iPhone case was from Kmart, I think. And the flowers were from Kmart. This little decor piece was also from Kmart, I believe. I just have my Beats headphone. This is a photo taken when me and my husband got married in Santorini, one of my favorite photos. And I just have my business cards. This rose gold pen holder that you see is from a homeware store near me. I'm not too sure the name of it, but if I can find it, I'll leave it in the link below. Most of these pens are from KKK and Typo. The water bottle I got from eBay. I can leave the link below. It's actually my favorite water bottle that I take with me everywhere at the moment. I have a photo of my mum. This is actually my 2019 diary that I got from Erin Condren, and again it's just another photo of me and my husband. There is my wedding planner because, as some of you know, I am getting married with friends and family that couldn't make it to our Greece wedding next month. We're having it here in Sydney, Australia. I just have a checklist, also again from Erin Condren. I have a today list and a do list that I usually fill out every single day. Just helps me keep organized. Above here, this is actually this year's vision board. Up here I have my Ted Baker bag. I have my candle, which is from Target. These boxes are from Erin Condren and they just had my planner that I ordered in them. I do have a photo of my dad and me when I was just a baby. These flowers again from Kmart. I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. Up here I just have all of my qualifications of becoming a life coach and my diploma in nutrition, as well as some charity runs that I've also completed. So down below here I actually have duct tape so my cats can't get into my wardrobe because they actually find their way into that wardrobe pretty easy. This is where one of my cats likes to sleep, in her carrier sometimes. That little donut, as you can see, Angelica loves to sleep on top of that donut sometimes as well. That little unicorn is actually from Kmart. Hello, darling. And I actually heat that up for her. She likes to sleep next to it when it's warm. What you doing? Hey? So I'll quickly go through my drawers with you guys. In this top drawer I just have my pens, my sticky notes. The second drawer I just have more sticky notes. As you can tell, I'm quite obsessed. Excuse me, darling. Excuse me. I have more to-do list and notepads, things to keep me organized. More notepads and things to keep me organized as well. Most of these that I get are from KKK. They're just my weekly goals and habit tracker. Are you right there? And in my bottom drawer I just keep this hole punch and tissues. This clear chair was actually from Target as well, and this pink throw also from Target. So to the left of my table in these drawers I have labeled them because sometimes I just get confused what's in which drawer. So in the top drawer I just have things related to my uni work. In the second drawer I just have stickers for my planners. The third drawer is just things relating to my business. And in this drawer I just have notepads and some stationery that I haven't used up yet. And the bottom drawer I just think is a junk drawer. So as I previously mentioned before, these drawers are from IKEA. I've also put little labels on what's in all of these drawers. So the first drawer I just have my sunglasses, which I like to keep in most of their cases. Second drawer is just stuff for my nails. Jewelry that I hardly ever wear that I'm probably gonna sell at some point. More jewelry and things that I hardly ever wear. More stationery. As you can tell, I really love collecting stationery, pens. More stationery and pens and some old photos. More post-it notes. I think these two bottom drawers are just all storage junk drawers. So up here we just have some makeup that I hardly ever use that much, and some chocolate. Not sure what the chocolate's doing in there. Another junk drawer. Stuff for my hair. My sewing drawer. This is where all I keep my makeup pouches. Look at her. Angelica! Oh no. Back to my drawers, I just have some citronella candles in there. Some more bath and hair products in there. And more tissues. And this is just where I keep all my hair iron, hair curler. So behind my desk is my bookshelf, and as some of you guys know, I used to work for Louis Vuitton, so that's why I do have a lot of Louis Vuitton things. In my top shelf I just have books, personal, business, and some of my uni books. In the second shelf I just have this photo that I got from Pinterest, I think. A diffuser and that same photo again of me and my husband on our wedding day. In this little box I just keep all of my bath bombs that I got from Lush. These are pretty much all of my journals and diaries. More of my journals and diaries. Most of these are from KKK. And more of my uni books down below. So over to the side I just have some of my perfumes. Most of these were given to me as a gift, so that's why I have so many. Some of my smaller bags and just my bigger bag. And this little fake tree, I think that was also from Target. Current situation in my office at the moment. Nacho taking over half my desk. Look how cute he is. So that is it for my home office tour, guys. If there is anything that you would like to know, please leave me a comment in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye guys.